The fruits, fruit juice, and non-starchy vegetables can absolutely transform the world. And it starts with the individual taking it on board and actually giving it a go, giving it a try, doing it on a continuous basis where it's systematic, meaning that you don't have to have this mindset of, I need to do this forever. But what you can do is just systematically implement it into your week, into your month, into your year. And depending on where you're at, if you want to use it as a weight loss tool, then the more days in a row you can go, the better you're going to do and the better results you're going to see. The reason I'm saying that it can transform the world is because Albert Einstein stated that you cannot solve a problem with the same level of thinking that created the problem in the first place. Well, on a societal level, you cannot solve a problem in health with the same diet that created the problem in the first place. If you're new to this channel, human beings are frugivorous primates. If you aren't sure why that is, just conjure up an environment without the use of tools and fire where you would be happy living in for the rest of your life. And tell me you don't want a beautiful fruit orchard surrounded by edible plants. Tell me you want something else, right? You're not going to say that, right? So fire took mastery. We had to actually learn how to wield fire, control fire, manipulate fire, and even learn what foods were edible with fire, etc. It's not just out of the bag. The potatoes and grains, can be cooked and ate safely. So these things take intelligence to be able to apply on a consistent basis to do this. The problem is, once you know that knowledge, what are you going to do? Well, this is where a mucusless diet healing system comes in, or how Cole is doing it. This is where sugar fasting is coming in, right? Once you have that information, okay, human beings are frugivorous primates. Whenever we eat fruits and greens, we basically are going to be the healthiest, in the best shape of our lives, etc. We can be, of course, if we're meeting our total caloric needs, etc. How do you implement that? And Arnold Ehret actually says the main reason his philosophy or a mucusless diet or like a fruit-based diet didn't catch universal use is because people weren't thinking about it systematically. Now, this is where a mucusless diet healing system come in. This is where sugar fasting come in, because what's Cole saying? Cole is saying do it intermittently. So do it for like a couple of days. If you're really overweight, do it for a long stretch. In the mucusless diet healing system, what does Arnold Ehret say? Arnold Ehret says gradually transition yourself to a diet of fruits and leafy greens, but you can also fast doing just fruits and leafy greens days, fruits or mucusless days.